my god, I am so excited. I just found, well, you know this guy just bred and he's taking care of his eggs, but there's only like 50 or less in there. And those eggs will probably hatch tomorrow sometime. But for some reason, I released this female in there and I took a look over at my male. This is a different female because I never noticed any activity, just him chasing away the female. And I took a look at the nest for some reason and there's babies in there. So I quickly took her out of there, but I don't know if you can see them. They're really light colored. But there's babies in there. There goes one, just fell. Ow. That was really exciting. But they sometimes, and they're almost free swimming looking, so they must have bred a few days ago with my darker colored female. I don't know which one it was, but I've had 3 different females in here. He's obviously pretty busy, but there's, I can't really tell how many's in there, but I'm gonna guess a lot. I'm missing my show, so it's just exciting. Okay, goodbye. Okay, I'm back again. It's a commercial, but let's see if I can. I can't see them, but they're there. One just fell. There goes one. It's just a dead piece of duckweed. Okay, I'll try and get some film of when my other babies hatch. Maybe you can see them better, but these guys are just really light. They're older, I think. Okay, bye again.